Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover Monad Airdrop and we are going to check what can you do right now. The project is still in devnet, so there are not much things to do, but after a big research I can tell you that you can start doing and getting very near to things that the protocol are going to be launching soon when the testnet pops. So like always in my videos, we check a little bit about the project and I give you my step by step on everything that you can start doing for a possible Monad airdrop. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. So Monad is one of the hyped projects of the year. It's a high performance Ethereum compatible layer 1. And Monad advances the efficient frontier in the trade-off between decentralization and scalability. Monad introduces optimizations in 4 major areas, resulting in a blockchain with a throughput of 10,000 transactions per second. Some of the updates that this project has are in the consensus area, the execution and consensus on how they work, transaction execution, and the state of access. So they are bringing new technology for this layer 1, and important points about the project is that they raised $224 million. So we are having this project in the level of Starknet, layer 0. ZkSync had more money, but we are talking about one of these big projects that usually we can see in the past have been giving very substantial airdrops. And I know that right now you will be saying, well, what happened with ZkSync? Many people didn't get the airdrop. And I know that is not fair. So I recommend you to go to the Discord of ZkSync and open a ticket with your complaint and put all the information that you can, and maybe you will be heard. So we don't know if ZkSync is going to do something before they launch next week. But anyways, many people that did get the airdrop got a very substantial allocation. So it's very difficult to make everyone happy. I think they committed some mistakes on this distribution, but usually a project with a big funding represents a big airdrop on the distribution. So all the information about this you will be finding here on CryptoRank about Monad. And one of the things that I like is that one of the big companies that invested money is Paradigm, and Paradigm is one of the investors of Farcaster, Blast, Uniswap, Starknet, so it's always involved on this big project. Currently in the devnet stage, so it's inaccessible to regular users, but we can start engage with ecosystem projects and potentially claim multiple airdrops. So going to this tutorial directly, the first step that you need to do is join to the Discord. Right now there are 320k followers on the Discord, and I remember that ZkSync blocked to join to the Discord when they reach 500k. So I don't know if that is going to happen, but as soon as you already follow and be participating on their social, if that occurs, then you will be safe already inside the community with privileged information. And after you join, I would recommend you to go and start interacting to get the roles. That could be valuable in the future for a possible airdrop. So here I put the link for Monad, and from there you can go to the Discord. I also put here a link for the roles information, so you can go there and check all the information about Monad and about the roles that they have active. Right now there are many roles that you can get on Discord that will give you more engage than others, so you can go and start chatting already in the Discord of Monad to get these roles. One that you can claim, for example, right now is the comment mob. So if you go to this link, you will be on the social credit, and there you can click get role to get the comment mob. So this is your first role that you can quickly get right now. Second, here you have the community activities calendar. So this link is going to help you maybe to know what things happen around the community of Monad. So you can go here and participate on anything that could give you traction for a possible airdrop. So it's good to have this. You can engage in games, in poker rounds, and many other things. Keeping an eye on the calendar could give you some advantage of things to engage on the community. So a lot of things right now are related to building the community because we cannot test anything right now. Now the point 3 is one important point, and here is their ecosystem partners. So you can try to engage with them. For example, look for projects related to Monad that don't have a token yet, or that are running airdrops. One good example of this is Wormhole. They are of course doing an airdrop number 2, and Wormhole is almost confirmed, and Wormhole is going to be interacting with Monad. So here you have the link for the ecosystem, and from here you have a big work which is going to the different categories. You can go to NFTs and you can see these projects that are going to be running with Monad. Right now, of course, Monad is not in testnet, so many of these are not going to be able right now to interact, but it's part of your job to keep an eye on this website and keep an eye on the different ecosystem. I saw many Twitter accounts claiming to do the airdrop of Monad, and for example telling you to go to swap finance and do some swaps, and I don't recommend you to do that to get the Monad airdrop right now. I don't think that interacting with all the protocols right now without Monad integrated is going to give you anything, at least if it's a project that already has a token. If this project, for example AshSwap, doesn't have a token, you can start going and interact with them, because it's possible that it gets some partnership with Monad on terms of airdrop. If you already participate on the airdrop of AshSwap, then you could get also something from Monad. But if you are specifically doing for Monad, I will wait to have the testnet at least in all these protocols, or to wait until this is on mainnet. So don't waste money on projects right now just because are in this page, but keep an eye on the protocol. So moving to point 4, like I mentioned, Wormhole is one of the confirmed connected projects, and many rumors say that the participation on Wormhole could give you a Monad airdrop in the future. So using Wormhole is something that I really recommend, but most than that, I recommend you to stake your Wormhole tokens now. That was available since the last week, so you can go to Tally and put your Wormholes into staking to participate on governance. And I think if we get an airdrop from Monad, probably it's going to be for interacting with Wormhole, but mostly for be a staker here. So this is one of the points that I truly recommend you. Of course, nothing is guaranteed, but staking in Wormhole could be something that give you passive airdrop. Moving forward, point 5 on June 11, Monad announced it to be used by Phantom on testnet. So this is big. So you can keep your use of Phantom wallet and interact with it. And this was from the official Twitter account of Monad. So all you need to access testnet live on day 1. So probably when they have the testnet live, we are going to connect with Phantom. Phantom is a very great wallet, so I recommend you to use it, and you can use it in many ways. So interact with Phantom for a possible connection with Monad there. Another thing is that you should follow Monad Whisper. This is the website that I show you about the project. So Monad Whisper is the unofficial Monad website, let's say. Their link is in the official links on the Discord, so the connection is real. But if you follow them on Twitter, you will see many more things about Monad. So some things are on the official Twitter of Monad, but another things are retweeted here, or more clues about different partnerships with Monad also are going to be here on the Monad Whisper. So I recommend you to follow this account. Just go to the Twitter account and follow in, so you don't miss any of these important updates on Monad. And in terms of project, one important is Poply, which is the first NFT marketplace that is being built on Monad. So again, you can keep an eye on this one. You can see 12k followers is the Monad NFT marketplace. So again, I recommend you to follow this. They are still building this generation NFT marketplace on Monad, and it's integrated with artificial intelligence. So this could be a very interesting project to participate on an airdrop, and also for a possible airdrop of Monad. Of course, this is also on the page that I show you for the Monad ecosystem. So keep an eye on Poply. So when they launch on the testnet or the mainnet, it would probably serve you to interact with it. Another in this category is the Breath of Stova. This is the only game right now developed in Monad, and is soon to be launched. So you can go here and follow the Twitter account. Right now you cannot play it, but at least you can follow the Twitter account, and also check all the news about the project. When this launch, you can start trying the game, and maybe that could qualify you for some rewards on the Monad ecosystem. So a big part of the work right now is keeping an eye on all the categories of this project. And of course, in the Twitter of both accounts, Monad and Monad Whisper, you will be finding all the different updates on the testnet when that is launched. We are going to cover it, of course, and most importantly on the mainnet. And point 9, guys, is at the moment of this video, there is no testnet. So there's no official CLI, no official Galaxy campaigns to do. So be careful of scams, because many are behind Monad as a scam, because there's a lot of hype about this project that is not even finishing the devnet. But this is everything that I found that you can do right now. Just a recap: going into the Discord, getting roles, checking the activities on the calendar, checking the ecosystem partners. Also, I recommend you to stake Wormhole tokens. That could be one of the most sure things that could give you Monad tokens. Also, the usage of Phantom Wallet and following the Monad Whisper. There you will be seeing the categories and explore the projects like Poply and Breath of Stova as a game on the Monad protocol. So that is my recap of everything that I see that you can start doing on Monad. Most important, the roles on Discord probably. And if you don't want to miss any information about Monad and all the airdrops, you can follow my cryptocurrency state website and join my private Discord and my application. My app is going to be having very important updates soon. So before the end of June, I'm going to do some big updates on the app, where I'm going to put all the airdrops that I recommend you to start doing, the popular airdrops, free airdrops. So you are going to have a dashboard at the beginning when you join the app. So from there you will know exactly what airdrops you can do and apply to them with one or multiple wallets, farming it in a very easy way. So here you have 2 videos on how my app works, more updates in the coming weeks, and of course 500 people in my private Discord. We are killing it there. Many of the followers there received more than 100k on ZkSync. So join my Discord so you have all the information live and all the secrets that we have been gathering over our experience past on airdrops. If you are new to airdrops, join my Discord. I'm going to help you there with many other important and advanced members on how you progress on your airdrop hunting path. That will be all. Before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.